Here at Central Jersey Fireplace, one of the most frequent questions we're asked is how do I remove the glass to clean my direct vent fireplace or direct vent fireplace insert. Here on this heatilator model, we're going to remove the glass assembly. First, we're going to open the safety screen. This safety screen is simple on this model. It just swings open on a hinge. Now please keep in mind, some doors can be heavier than others and can cause the unit to rock. This is a nice lightweight screen which will not cause the unit to rock forward. The next step would be removing the vanity panel. The vanity panel covers the valve, wiring harness, and module, basically just unsightly controls underneath. To remove the vanity panel, we're going to grasp firmly and lift up, causing the J-hooks to come out of the slots on either end. Now that the vanity panel is removed, we have 4 spring clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. To remove these spring clips, first we're going to grasp firmly with 2 fingers, pull and release. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. This disengages the springs, allowing the glass to come free. Now on this model, what we're going to do is remove the glass out from under the top spring clips. So I'm going to grab firmly underneath and just drop them down so the tabs come loose underneath the top spring clips. At this point, the glass assembly is ready to be cleaned. For a list of products you can use on your particular models, I would consult your fireplace manufacturer. If you have any other questions regarding fireplace maintenance, please contact your manufacturer, local distributor, or you can reach out to us at Central Jersey Fireplace.